Started with a fight, but now we kissing. And then what you saying, how you miss me? Yeah, you miss me. And all the things that we did. We said we gonna travel from the islands to Madrid. We had a lot of plans, but they all disappeared. Why? Oh, because of some kid. But it's okay, cause I'm
never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a
break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Drop that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up.
Hey guys. So we're trying this new chocolate chip recipe I saw on TikTok, and I thought it would be just a fun, nice little treat for all of us. Okay. So I have this whole new recipe. I have it written down on this notepad here. I'm gonna blur the faces because they're none of your business. Let's get started, okay? Okay, first we're starting with a 2/3 cup of butter and or margarine. Okay, so we're gonna add in this 2/3 cup of margarine and or butter. And sitting out for a little bit so it's not all fucking hard to get out. Are you eating the supply? No.
You lie! I don't lie. I protect and I feed.
Okay, we have our 2/3 butter in our bowl, nice and room temp. Now we need to get 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Look at these fancy airtight containers. I love these containers. They're so nice. Here, let me show you how they work. Okay, so right here, this little tab right here, you pull it, it unseals it. We need to get this 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. And then we need to get 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And with brown sugar, you want to pack it in. They don't say that on the thing, but you have to pack in the brown sugar. This fucking brown sugar is hard as shit.
That's what she said.
I can't get it. That's Addy. Oh my god. Yeah. Helpers! Helpers! I need 2 cups of flour. I'm just kidding! Layn, do you want to see who can get all of these faster? It's you. 2 1/4 cup of flour. I feel like that's a lot, but I'm just going with the recipe. If these turn out like shit, it's not my fault.
It's your fault. What? It's your fault.
Now we need a 1/4 cup of flour now. Okay, now we're adding in some chocolate chips. Obviously, we're gonna add in extra. Yeah, that's enough. Everything's in it.
This bitch be vlogging me on all my times. I look really greasy and busted.
Now I gotta try.
It's actually really good.
That's not bad.
Was this like big bag?
We're gonna stuff the cookies with these little caramel She's so disrespectful.
Oh!
And then she goes back to her seat and doesn't help me.
Oh, it looks like fucking deer poo.
And we're also going to use some of this jet puffed marshmallow bits.
Okay,
And just
can I pour it in?
We're not putting it in. Okay guys, these caramel ones, these are the caramel ones. There's one regular one and then 3 marshmallow ones. We each have 1 caramel and 1 marshmallow.
So this is my crumble cookie, but I don't want it.
Why would you do that if you didn't want it?
Because I just wanted to see what it would look like, kinda.